What's up, people? In this video we are going to take a look at, no, not him, So True Q. So True Q, a vegetarian for over 7 years, showing you a glimpse of his now vegan something. Alright. Okay. Oh god, what I eat in a day? I don't know if I can do any more of those videos. How I met David Goggins. Oh, this guy hasn't made videos in forever, huh? See, I don't understand. It has nothing to do with this, but I don't understand how you get to 83,000 subscribers and you just stop, right? Like this is big boy money right here. Making videos from the ad revenue, like you just stop, right? Maybe he's doing something else, but it seems like a waste. Okay. Vegan, high protein, full day of eating. I guess we can watch this one. Reasons why you should not become a vegan. Alright. Yeah, this might be interesting. Oh, if you...
You know what y'all asked and I delivered today is a full day.
If you guys have any other recommendations for YouTubers or videos you want me to watch and give my super fascinating opinions on, sometimes, then let me know, leave me a comment, and here we go.
Eating video, getting 152 calories, 152 grams of protein rather, on a vegan diet. Man, the cuts are coming in. I'm feeling good about my progress so far, and I'm feeling good about the family growing. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. We hit 1,000 recently. Y'all know that I do my thank yous a little bit different. So every time we hit a milestone in terms of subscribers, every time the family grows and hits a certain number, I like to do what I call a milestone movie. And so that's coming up soon for 1,000 subscribers. Thank y'all for being a part of the family, part of the journey. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna stop talking. Until next time, well, not until next time. I'll see you at the end of this video. This is a full day of eating. So to start off my morning, I normally have a breakfast of peanut butter toast with chia seed applesauce, and I like to toast my bread. This is the veganic ancient whole wheat sprouted bread, and it has a lot of protein. I think it's like 5 grams of protein per slice. So if you haven't picked that up, I would advise picking it up. I always use crunchy peanut butter, Skippy's Natural crunchy peanut butter. Probably not the best in terms of health wise, but I really like it, and it hasn't messed me up at all. I also use the beef-free vegan honey. It's a substitute for honey, but it tastes exactly like it. It's actually a lot better to me, and it's made from apples, so it's natural. So I'm getting my bread out of the toaster. Be sure to use the proper utensils. This is a public service announcement. I almost burnt my hand. I decided to put it back in, do it the right way, the way mama taught me, and then I'll drop the toast. But that's neither here nor there. I'm bringing it over there to put the peanut butter on. And here I'm preparing my applesauce. I'll put about a cup and a fourth or so, about a cup of applesauce, and then I put 2 tablespoons of chia seed, and each tablespoon gives me a decent amount of protein. I mean, not too much, but good enough. It's 3 grams of protein per tablespoon, and in this one I have about 2, so I have 6 grams of protein in the applesauce alone, and then I add fruit.
You know what I realized? I realized this just now as I'm watching this guy's video, is that this has nothing to do, well, kind of something to do with this video, is that like if I review somebody's video, and if I just like them as a person, I'm so much nicer to them. Like, I'm so much easier on them. Like, this is not bad, right? At least it's like natural foods. I mean, the bread, fine, it's not the best, but like, is this bad for you, any of this stuff? Like, what did he have? Like bread with peanut butter, natural peanut butter, honey substitute. I'm not sure what that's made from. Not the best, but like a little bit is fine. Bread, natural peanut butter, applesauce, chia seeds, looks like strawberries, blueberries. It's not bad. So maybe that's why I'm being nice about it. But so like my question, it's like the same like pattern of questions when I watch these vegan what I eat in a day videos, right? It's like, okay, this is not the best. However, at least it's natural. But if I were to try to do this, how would I make it work with the way that I want to train? Would I have enough energy? Would I be able to do it? And if not, which I'm generally is my thought process is that no, the answer is no. Then I'm thinking like, how does this guy do it? What does he do? So yeah, I mean, nothing really new here, I guess. I don't know. Let's just watch more. To it. So I have my strawberry and my blueberry, and
I'm ready to go and start my day. I'm good to go. 19 grams of protein in 1 sitting.
All right, sorry, I'm pausing this again. But another thing that I just thought of is that it's a lot of food. It's a high volume of food, right? Me personally, this is just my own personal preference. Like, I understand most people don't want to eat 1 meal a day. Like, that's extreme for them, fine. My personal preference is to eat all my food in a short amount of time, so I don't have to go through all this like every single day, all day. You know, I gotta, and look at how many ingredients. Like, and again, nothing against him. It's working for him. I mean, he stopped making videos, but like, I guess it was working for him. There's 2 million views on this. Okay, strawberries, blueberries, chia seeds, applesauce, bread, peanut butter, fake honey. Was that it? Was that like 8 things already? By breakfast, 1 meal. I don't know, it just seems like a little unnecessary. Like, I ate 1 thing yesterday. Or what did I have? I had pork, and I think I went out and I got a Kit Kat later. Like, was that it? What else? Oh, and I had some soy milk, right? That's it, 3 things. So much easier, so much cheaper. And again, he's vegan, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's not about the money.
So I'd say that's a good job for me. Before my workout, this is my pre-workout meal on most days. It gives me a lot of energy, gives me a decent amount of carbs, and a great amount of protein. So I'm ready to go. What's up, y'all? So now that meal is done, we're heading to the gym. But you saw what I ate pretty much for breakfast. I'm gonna show y'all my post-workout bars. I usually have like a protein bar that I eat post-workout. Today's post-workout bar is the NUGO Slim Crunchy Peanut Butter, 17 grams of protein. That's gonna be next up after I finish my workout. And I'm off to the car right now. About to go get these gains, boy. Hey, the cuts are coming out. The cuts are coming out.
Done lifting. As you can see, I'm getting back my bounce, my chest bounce. This is first protocol after I lift. Is the bar, 17 grams of protein, real good. I've changed my workout up because I've changed my goals. About to go get my post-workout meal in after I consume this. Once I get home, I'll see y'all there.
So as you can now see, I have kale, quinoa, black beans, and chickpeas, along with Brussels sprouts and my ancient whole wheat veganic bread. I use the bread for this particular meal for my hummus and veggie sandwich. So I have cayenne hummus here, and then I add some black bean hummus as well. The bread alone gives me 10 grams of protein. And then the black bean hummus brings me an extra little bit of protein as well. And so I add tomato, cucumber, and then my spicy kale mix on top. And for my sides, as you'll see here in a little bit, I'll add my chickpea, quinoa, and black bean concoction. And I have also sweet potato casserole, which you can't see.
You know what I just realized? Oh my god. Like, I kind of finally see the appeal of these like mukbang things that you guys love, or eating challenges or whatever. Because I was watching this video and I was like, that looks pretty good. Like, the first time any of this food that like I've ever watched anybody eat like actually looks kind of appetizing to me. But I don't know. So anyway, that was just my thought. Number 2, this is healthy food, right? This is good for you, okay? And I know, like, I don't think the person who sent me this video was like, talk about how bad it is. It's vegan. It's not bad, okay? The reason I don't do this is, number 1, this is way more expensive than like just doing what I do now, and it takes more thought and it's more steps and it's less convenient. And I guess you run the risk that you might be deficient in things later, right? So it's like, it takes more time, it's less convenient, it's more expensive, and maybe you're not getting everything you need. And to find like the magic formula so that you're able to perform, to not lose any like performance, requires a lot of, I'm assuming, experimentation with this. So I don't know. I would never do this. The food looks good. I don't know how it tastes, but it looks pretty good. But like, I don't know. I I also I'm not crazy about the whole like counting your calories thing or counting your macros or whatever. I guess people want to know on the internet, like if I do ever like a mukbang or something where I eat something, I'll probably say like how many grams of protein there are, even though I don't think there's any point in counting if you're eating the right foods. But I guess if you're eating like vegan stuff like this, you might need to pay more attention to how many grams of protein you're getting, because you're not necessarily eating ideal foods, like as judged by, you know, your physiology, like nutrient content, whatever. Okay, interesting.
It's a vegan sweet potato casserole.
And then on top of that, we're gonna get some of this vegan protein to go along with it. Getting all kinds of protein today.
And so normally I do a quick snack, and for this snack I do a half a cup of dry roasted unsalted peanuts. 2 servings gives me 14 grams of protein, so a real quick high protein snack is all I really need. Now this was later on in the day and I wanted a snack, but I wasn't really hungry from my huge meal earlier, so I just did 1 serving of peanuts, the same peanuts as before, with my favorite cashew milk ice cream by So Delicious. Really good, really simple, and it got the job done.
So the last meal of the night is going to be brown rice spaghetti with some PEAN no tomato basil sauce. And listen, I hate using fluoride in my noodles so bad, and we don't even have any more water, that I decided that the next best thing was to take the ice that was inside my freezer, put it in the pot, melt it down, and I'm gonna use that. We live fluoride free. You'll see in this kitchen too, I don't own a microwave, so I don't reheat anything in the microwave. If I reheat it, it's gonna be reheated in the oven or on stovetop, or I'm just gonna eat it cold if I can. That's just how I live. Don't need my food to change its molecular structure. Don't need that to be ingested into my body. So that's why I do that. So we're gonna let this boil down and see what we get.
So is that a thing that like the microwave like makes your food like radioactive or something and it's bad for you? I don't know anything about that. I guess that's possible. Like I honestly I don't really know how microwaves work. So like it's like a magic box. You like put your food in and it's like hot a minute later. So I guess that makes sense. I guess if you want to get like really nitpicky with it, you probably should never use the microwave and only use like fire if you want to be like super natural, or like, you know, if you want to be natural. Yeah, I mean, I guess the food is like okay. It just seems like I wonder, because this kind of reminds me a little bit of the Megan McCollum video that I did, like what I eat in a day, which was that coming out? Is that today that comes out? I think today. Where like that was more extreme than this for sure, but that was like 80% processed food, processed like vegan, whatever, and like 20% actual food. But it was this like so many different ingredients, so many different food items necessary to like, I don't know, is it like a desire for novelty? That's what I said about her video. I'm wondering if that's the case with him also, if you like have this desire for novelty, because there's no, like for example, if you're not vegan, let's say you eat meat, not even raw meat, just like normal meat, you don't, in my opinion, you don't have that desire for novelty. You stuff yourself on meat and then that's it. Maybe you'll have like a little bit of like dessert or something, but your desire for like 50 different, or maybe it's an OMAD thing now that I think about it. It might be an OMAD thing. I'm not really sure, but like, no, I think it might be a vegan thing, because I'm just thinking of the professional bodybuilders or physique competitors whose videos I've watched that are like what I eat in a day. And I guess maybe they're more strict because they're competing, but like I watched that guy Romain something, whatever, where he drinks the fish shake. Ugh, gross. But like he drank like 5 of those a day, you know. And in his other meals, he like repeated the same meal several times. So I think it might be a vegan thing for some reason. You like feel like you need more novelty in your meals. I'm not sure why, or maybe it's just these two people that are like just two random people who do the same thing. His at least is somewhat healthier, I guess, like more natural foods. Like again, this is kind of what I said about Megan McCollum's video. Like it's not bad for you. It's probably better than what most people are eating, and at least it's not shitty processed food. Plus, if you go to the gym and you exercise, you can kind of get away with it.
So what you're seeing here is a quinoa basil pesto sauce that we got from Sprouts, and I put it on top of my noodles along with garlic toast.
Wow, 4,000 calories. That's a lot. That's a lot of calories in a day. What are this guy's workouts like? I don't know. Maybe he needs 4,000 calories, but that's a lot of calories. Like, even if you're like, that's a lot. And out of 4,000 calories, 150 grams of protein. That seems like a low number to me. I don't know. Interesting. Okay. I mean, I guess, title of the video is more appealing if you focus on this number as opposed to this number, or both of the numbers. But 4,000 calories for 1,500 grams, or for 150 grams of protein, I think it's just like vegan thing. It's inefficient. It's not ideal. Can it work? Is it possible? I guess. I don't know. I haven't tried it like this. I never will try it like this because I don't want to think about this so much. Like I say this I've said this before, but I don't really I never think about health and fitness. Like, never. At this point, it's just like it's native. I just make my decisions based on that because I make it so simple, right? Eat meat, work out, keep working out harder and harder, get some sun, and eat once a day. Done. That is it. That is the fucking Yalla Poppy strategy for a high level of health. Okay, you're a vegan, makes things more complicated, but and I guess you can always kind of fall back on the argument of this isn't for my health, it's for the animals. But a lot of people say this isn't for my health, it's for the animals. Oh, and by the way, it's also healthier for you. So I mean, is it really? I don't think so. Why 4,000 calories? I don't eat anywhere close to 4,000 calories a day. I don't know how tall this guy is and how jacked he is. He's probably got more muscle than me. But let's say he's got 50 pounds on me, right? You need to eat 4,000 calories a day? I doubt it. Whatever. Anyway, if you guys, that's not done yet, I guess.
And avocado toast. And so you see the totals, man. 4,208 calories, 526.6 grams of carbs, and 152.3 grams of protein. Hope you enjoyed this video. Didn't want it to be too long, but it kind of was. It's all good, though. Till next time, stay cool, stay true, and stay smooth.
Stay true, stay cool, and stay smooth. I need a tagline like that. Anyway, I don't know. I guess it works for this guy. It just seems like a lot of work to me. And again, I know that's not, I don't know anything about this guy. Maybe the vegan thing is a career move for him. I have no idea. I don't know. I don't care. What did this say? I'm counting calories. Stay between 2,500 and 3,500. Fluoride free. I thought fluoride was good for you in the drinking water. Isn't that third world countries, they don't have fluoride and they have fucked up teeth or something? I don't really know. I drank a ton of tap water as a kid. I guess I turned out okay. Debatable. Anyway, I guess this was interesting. 150 grams of protein for 4,200 calories seems like a lot. Again, being vegan is inconvenient. It's for the animals. It's not about health. But actually it is about health because here are some studies. So, I mean, I don't know. He's nice. He's cool. I wish him the best. It's working for him. To each their own. Not my cup of tea. Okay, so anyway, if you guys have any other recommendations for YouTubers or videos you want me to look at, let me know. Leave me a comment. Peace.